Okay, guys, this is exam 3, question number 2. We're being asked to simplify. We have 2 problems here. So this is a factorial, just to remind you what a factorial is. For instance, 10 factorial is equal to 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. All right? And so you could probably put this in your calculator and get an answer, but I'm not sure you get full marks on the test if you did it that way, so I'm just going to do it sort of longhand. So it should be important to note that I'm looking for either a 6 factorial or a 3 factorial somewhere in the upper term so that I can cancel things out, right? So I'm going to find the 6 factorial. Okay? So 10 factorial is just 6 factorial times 7 times 8 times 9 times 10. So that's what I'm going to write. I'm going to write 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 factorial. And that's divided by 6 factorial, 3 factorial. Excuse me. But another way to write 3 factorial is just 3 times 2 times 1. And we don't have to include 1 because that's always the same. Like, that doesn't do anything in a fraction. Okay, so the 6 factorials cancel. I can take 1 to the 3's from this 9. I can take the 2 from, let's say, the 10. And so this is equal to 5 times 3 times 8 times 7. And there's nothing in the denominator. So what's the easiest way to do this? Let's do 15 times 56. 39, 5 times 5, 25, 5 times 1 is 5, plus 2 is 7. Oh, 840. I'll just check that on my calculator, make sure that's right. 5 times 3 times 8 times 7, 840. Perfect. Okay, so this next one, again, I'm either looking for an n or an n minus 2. So this top one, the numerator, is equal to n plus 1 times n minus 1 times n minus 2 factorial. Right? And in my denominator, I have n times n minus 2 factorial. The n minus 2 factorials cancel. The n cancels with this n here. And I'm just left with n plus 1 times n minus 1. And that's in simplified form, so I will leave it alone. And that's it for this problem.